This is actually my second time purchasing. First was to Germany and this time round to Norway and Finland. Did not experience any issues at all for both times. Highly recommended. Tilda. The signal is good, customer service is patient and helpful in resolving issues, and it in number 39, s easy to use. Good quality. Good price. It in number 39, s easy to use and the installation is also easy. It in number 39, s easy to use and the installation is also easy. eSIM. Buying this eSIM on KK Day is very convenient and allows you to travel freely throughout Europe. It in number 39, s very convenient to buy and use as needed, it uses less than 2 GB a day. The daily limit plan only lasts a maximum of 15 days, which isn't in number 39, T enough, so you have to add 2 more days. They contacted me beforehand and picked me up at the airport at just the right time, so as not to waste any time. They were also very friendly. This is my 6th time using this eSIM and it has always worked perfectly. Both trips to London and Iceland were very convenient, and the internet was quite stable. Driving in Iceland, 2 GB was more than enough for a day. Great reception, nice speed. During my trip to Portugal and Spain, the internet was stable and smooth, 1 GB per day was more than enough. Dot. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. The eSIM worked instantly and without any issue. I had a great time using it. I recommend it. It's working fine, a little bit slow sometimes.